how to activate the Fiat service on Binance. Hello everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you step by step in order to do so let's just get started. Head over and open up the Binance application or website and sign in into your account first. After that, you can go over to your profile in the top right corner, tap on it, and from here your profile appears. Look out for the More Services tab from here and tap on it. After that, here you will be finding different options. You may scroll to the services section and reach over to the trade section where you'll be finding an option called Fiat. So just go ahead and choose Fiat here. And once you choose Fiat, you need to go ahead and select up a payment process. So here, just go ahead and tap on the plus icon. And once you tap on it, you can select up the minimum amount that you would like to purchase. So pick your local currency or anything, and then Binance may prompt you to add a payment method or verify additional info. So you can just go ahead and pay with card, tap on it, and here provide in your card information. Fill in your payment details, must be in your name, and then your card number, your billing address. Once you enter it up, you can just go ahead and confirm the details. Just go ahead and do so. And after that, make a small Fiat deposit to confirm the payment method works. Once completed, you will be able to buy crypto with Fiat or withdraw crypto as Fiat, and that's it. So you may follow the steps in order to activate the Fiat service on Binance. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.